welcome to this Python tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you input and output, and I'm going to teach you how to write your first program in Python. We use the output function print, parentheses, open and closing quotes. We just say hello, and then we run the scripts. Ta-da! Congratulations, you just wrote your first program. So let's say we have a variable named name, all right, and the content of this variable is a string, and we name it Alice. Then another variable named age is a number. When you want to write numbers or integers are whole numbers. When you want to write integers in Python, you do not put any opening and closing quotes. So let's have another variable. Let's say gender. We'll say female. Okay. So let's say print. If we want to display this, we can say putting this opening and closing quote shows the IDE that whatever is contained inside here is a string and should be regarded as such. So here we say my name is space, right? Behind the closing quotes, we'll put a comma, and then we'll put name. So this variable name tells the IDE that here is supposed to contain Alice, right? So wherever this IDE sees name, as far as it's not inside opening and closing quotes, it knows that the content should be Alice. Yeah, so my name is Alice. Put another comma and put opening and closing quotes. I am space. Behind this, you put a comma again and say age. Put another comma, opening and closing quotes, write old. Full stop. Let's put full stop. Put another comma and say, or let me just continue from here. I am a, behind this comma, we'll put gender. Alright, let's print and output this script on here. Okay, you see, it says my name is Alice, I am 25 years old. I am 25. Okay, let's just type years old. I am a female. Okay, let's run it again and see. You see here, my name is Alice, I am 25 years old, I am a female. So congratulations on learning this first tutorial on Python. Look out for more.